of NikkiHaddock.com and Back to Basics. Welcome back today for the next segment in our Instant Pot series. Today we're going to be doing egg roll in a bowl. This is a Weight Watchers friendly recipe at 4 points for about a 2.5 cup portion. So let's head over to the kitchen and give that a try. We're ready to start our egg roll in a bowl. So we're going to start by setting the Instant Pot to saute and waiting till it gets hot. And I have about 2 teaspoons of sesame oil inside. So now we're going to add our onion and garlic and we're going to saute that for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so now we're ready to add our ground turkey and we're going to brown the ground turkey. You just want to break it up as you go along as it's sauteing. And get it good and brown. That should take 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so our turkey is browned. So now we're going to add our broth, soy sauce, chives, and ginger. Ground ginger. Give that a stir. And then we're going to add half of our bag of coleslaw. Give that a mix. Now that we have that all mixed, we turned the saute off. Now we're going to add the lid. Just make sure it's sealed. We're going to pressure cook for 2 minutes. And once that's done, we're going to do a quick release. Let's just make sure this is sealed and we're good to go. Our 2-minute pressure cook is done, so we're going to flip the valve to vent and let that quick release. The venting is done and we're ready to take the lid off. Okay, now we're going to turn the Instant Pot off. And we're going to add the other half of our coleslaw. And give that a good toss. Here we have our completed egg roll in a bowl. I hope you've enjoyed this week's segment. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the reminder button on your notifications so you don't miss any future segments. As always, the recipe can be found in the description below. Leave us any questions or comments and we'll get back to you. Thank you so much. See you again.